So for this project I'm using medium worsted yarn and 8mm crochet hook. I'm starting with the green one and I'm gonna make a slip knot. Don't forget to look at the written pattern for all the details needed to achieve this project. I'm gonna chain 2, gonna chain 3, single crochet in the first chain from the hook, chain 1, single crochet in the first chain from the hook, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and join back to the beginning stitch. So total of 4 times single crochet, chain 1, slip stitch. Okay, now we will work in the chain 1 space. So chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the first space, chain 1, in the next space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, in the next space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the same space, chain 1, in the last space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, join to the beginning stitch or the starting stitch, and here we got the moss stitch square shaped. Now we got 4 corners and we got the spaces in between the corners. So in the corners what we will do is 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, all in the 4 corners, and the rest of the spaces just 1 single crochet and chain 1. So I'm gonna start with chain 1, in the corner single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, in the corner single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the corner, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and join to the beginning stitch, and this is round 2 completed. Now I'm going to show you how to change the color. It's very simple. You put this thread here on the side, you bring this new yarn here also with the loose extremity over here, yarn over, insert the new color and continue working, chain 1, and then you take the yarn with you to secure it and hide it under the stitches. So again in the corner single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the corner, chain 1, in the next space single crochet, chain 1. Oops. In the next space single crochet, chain 1. Oops. In the next corner single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and you continue the same till the end of the square of the this row. So I'm gonna come back to show you the end result and how many rows to do with each color and further explain the project. So this is how it looks so far. I have done 24 rounds or rows with the green color and 12 rows of the brown color, and again 4 rows of the green color. The colors are darker in real. I don't know why the camera makes them light, but this is how it is. So 24, 12 and 4, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to shape it into a pillow cover. So I'm gonna fold it this way, and I'm gonna start stitching these two sides first, then insert the pillow cover, insert the pillow, and then finish stitching these two sides. And I'm gonna show you how to make that. I'm gonna single crochet to make it easier. And that's the next step. I'm gonna turn my work opposite the last stitch. So my last stitch is here, and I'm gonna turn my work the other side. So I will insert the hook, bring the stitch into this side, and single crochet, chain 1, insert the hook in both stitches, the yarn might be darker, but just follow my instructions and what I'm telling you so you can achieve it easily. So making sure the stitches are facing each other, the right ones. this is how it looks so far, with two sides already stitched with a single crochet. And I'm gonna insert the pillow here, and then I'm gonna continue stitching with a pillow inside. Like so. I'm gonna finish this and then these two sides, and I'm gonna show you the end result. So this is how the pillow looks like at the end after single crochet all the sides, and that's it. You can either slip stitch, you can use a tapestry needle to close the sides, or you can single crochet like this. And this is how it looks like at the end. The moss stitch pillow cover. Very easy to achieve and very pretty looking. You can choose whichever colors you want to combine, or only one color, it's up to you. Again, don't forget to check the written pattern to get all the details about this pillow cover. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.